Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the total number of handshakes which is possible when 62% shake their hands. Now, in order to complete one handshake, we need two people. Therefore, out of 62 people, we have to find combinations of two people. So this will be a problem of combination. Now we know the formula of combination. So formula of combination is equals NCR, where N stands for total number of objects available to us and R is the total number of objects which we have to select. Now in this case, N will be equal 62 because total number of available persons is equal 62 and the total number of persons which we have to select in order to complete one handshake is 2. So R will be equals 2. Therefore, total number of handshakes will be equal 62 C2, which can be written as 62 multiplied by 61 upon 2. Now I have written it in a simpler form. The actual formula of NCR is n factorial upon r factorial multiplied by n minus r factorial. So if you write it in this form, then upon further simplification we will get 62 multiplied by 61 upon 2. This upon further simplification will give us 1891. Therefore, 1891 will be our final required answer. That's it.